Alright guys, it's Lane from RH. I thought we were done Kogoing maps for this little boundary survey in northeast Stockton. But I was wrong. We need one more. And I'm going to record it because it's a tricky map. It's a highway map. Highway right-of-way map for Highway 88. Highway 88 I'm sure is ancient. It runs up from Stockton to Jackson. It was probably a wagon trail back in the day. So it doesn't have clear title like a lot of our... I shouldn't say like a lot, but like most modern highways, newer highways are going to have clear title and right-of-way. This probably does not. Looks like Caltrans is asserting an 80-foot wide right-of-way here. They probably do not have deeds for that. But we're gonna roll with that for now. So I'm on sheet 4 of this 15-page map. Here's Wilmarth. This is our parcel. I found... this monument is that monument in the center line. Well, this iron pin is gone. We've got these two kind of endpoints here with stations and coordinates, old state plane coordinates. Then we come down here. I found this monument. That's the monument in the driveway that I found. And then I found this monument here. This iron bar is also gone. We're going to go ahead and just put in this little piece here. And then we'll go ahead and do the next sheet. That's station 92. So let's go down. Here's station 92. So this is actually our parcel right here. So we'll run the line up to here probably. So let's go ahead and do that. Oop, I want to see if I can make this cover half my screen. I don't know why. There we go. Boom. And we'll do the same thing with this, I hope. Okay. I've got that other line working here. We're going to ignore. So what I'm going to do for now, let's go up one sheet, is we're going to put in these two coordinates. Whoa. As our starting point. And I'm just going to do that with regular point objects, not with survey points. So I grab that, and then I'm going to input the coordinate here. So our x is 179.0478.18, and our northing on that one is 546632.74. Oop. 546632.74. Now, I'm going to tell you the reason I'm putting those coordinates in. We got to zoom extents here and find our point. The reason I'm putting those coordinates in, guys, is because I don't have another way to bridge the freeway, I don't think, or bridge the highway right away. And like Caltrans does that sometimes. So there's no bearing and distance tie across here, but at least we can tie across with the coordinates. So let's do our next point. Should be here. I want you to know these coordinates they're not on our coordinate system. So I can't just drop this in. We're still going to have to rotate and translate this map Kogo on our found points like the other maps. All right, so let's fix this guy up. This is 1790528.43. And we've got a northing there. That was the easting. Our northing is 546570.49. For some reason, I feel like that did not work. So we've got 546570.49. Northing is 1790528.43. All right, so for some reason, there it is. Okay, so there's our 2 points. Okay, so now we can start putting in our bearings and distances. So we're gonna stub up for that monument that's in the center line first. So we'll go Kogo, line by angle distance. We'll hit our node snap. So we're going northeast, 51.0517. Oh, you know what? They do not give me a distance to that monument, those stinkers. All right, that sucks. So we'll go up 1,000 feet. That's well past our parcel. They don't tie out that monument. I wonder if they give us a coordinate for it. M 118. Let's see if they got a coordinate on here. Here's the monument list. They may not give us a coordinate, guys. I'm just going to see if there's a coordinate table. Yeah, I don't think there's a coordinate table. So that wasn't very helpful, was it? They surveyed that monument, but they did not give us coordinates for it. So that's a bummer. All right, well, we'll be able to see if it's online or not, at least. Let's just make sure we know what's that. M118 is a 3/4 inch iron diameter pipe, no reference. So I don't know if that's the monument in the well, actually. That'll be interesting to see. Okay, let's go down the other direction now. So we're going to go Kogo, line by angle distance. So now we're starting here and going the other way. And let's see, so we are going southwest. 510517, another 1,000 feet. All right, so I obviously dorked that up. Let's try that again. Sorry guys, I don't know what I did there. Let's try it again. So we're going. Oh, I need to go southwest, not southeast. So quadrant 3, 51.0517, 1,000 feet. Okay, so now we're going down the other direction there. That's to this point right here. All right, so now let's go back up here. We're going to start here, and we're going to come down. It looks like we go 360, 65 to here. And then we go from here down 441.30, and since these lines are actually the same bearing, we can cheat. So we're going to copy this, and we're going to move it to this node, and then we can just run some circles here and do some breakpoints. So our first distance is 360.65. We can run the break command. We're going to select our entity to break. First point is intersection, intersection. Okay, there's our first one. And we're going to run our next circle, second circle. We're going to go down, what is that, 441.30. Okay, that should get me to that pipe I found in the driveway. So we'll run our break command again. All right, that gets me to there. Then we go 361.5 to that point. So I can extend that. Okay, but that doesn't quite get me to... Oh, that does. That gets me to the monument there. Okay. So that's the other monument I found. Now, we got another... We want to come up. Same bearing, same distance, so I can actually copy this. And that should get us past our parcel. Okay, and I'm going to just put all these on the right-of-way layer. So essentially, I think what we ended up with was we ended up with just a couple parallel lines, but with some different distances that should hit our mons. Let's see, those are ties. Those are subject parcel. There we go, right-of-way sidelines. Okay, so I think we got what we need now. Now somewhere in here, we also have our other line work. So where is that? Is that up here? So here's what you got to do sometimes. We're going to draw a big circle around that, some extents. All right. Okay, there's our other line work that we're going to delete. Alright, so I got something in here. I don't know what's in here. Purge. Yeah, something. There's still something in here. Let's try Control All. Control Shift A. Yeah. Alright, we might have to figure out what's going on there. So I got something messing up my zoom extents. Let's just zoom in on this for now. Okay, we're going to save that. Alright, I think we're about ready for our search drawing. So I'll pause this. We'll do that in a different video.